The show starts in 3, 2, 1.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to your channel, American Rodder. And I'm really excited to bring you this video tonight. I have found for you 10 rare and unusual cars that are up for sale on the internet this week, and we're going to check those out and get them ready for your perusal. But if you will, right now, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell, because in the next few weeks I got some giveaways going on, and you want to be in the loop when these videos drop for these giveaways. Just a reminder to remind you that you can find the links to each one of these cars featured in the video tonight over in the description of the video. And how do you find that? Well, you click on the title of the video. Part of the description will pop up just under the title. Click on the word more, then you're able to scroll down and see the cars that are listed with their links. Okay, now tonight's commentary question is a two-parter. The first question is this one, and then the second question is going to pop up later. What was the name of the car created by Daryl Starbird that was mentioned in the movie American Graffiti? If you know the answer, drop it in the comment section. We're going to see how many people knows. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the video with number one. This is a wild 1957 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 that was listed for $20,000 in Greenville, Texas. This wild matchup of the 1957 Chevy and a Camaro Z28 has only 710 miles on the motor since its build. Has an automatic transmission, the exterior color is black and the interior color is black as well. The seller describes this as being in excellent condition. The car wins at most car shows, exclaims the seller. Car is fully loaded with all power everything. Car has an LT-1 V8 engine, automatic transmission. Every gauge and lights works. The car has AC and heat and a nice sound system. This car, you'll be able to drive it home once purchasing. They're asking $20,000 for the car, no trade. So there you go, guys. If you want a modern car with a 50s style look, then this one ought to be the one for you. Number two is a rare 1957 MG MGA listed for $3,500 in Chattanooga, Tennessee. It has 87,166 original miles, has a manual transmission, the exterior color is red, and the interior color is red, and it needs a total restoration. The seller is the second owner, and it has a clean title. Seller's description is as follows: 1957 MG Roadster 1500 two-door convertible. There were only 16,467 made in 1957, and not many at all have survived. It has a 1.5 liter engine, which was standard, and a 4-speed manual transmission. It has rack and pinion steering. It has a very rare Continental spare tire mounted on the outside above the rear bumper. This car has been in the family since 1962. It is 100% complete. A restoration was started on it a few years ago, but was not continued. Has all the parts and pieces with the car, and they are stored close by in the barn. All of the parts of the car are original to the car. It underwent a complete restoration back in 1972 and was driven daily up until 1982. And again, as I said, is now in need of complete restoration. So guys, I give this one my best deal seal because of the minimal cost involved in purchasing, and would make a great vehicle once restored. Number three. This is a 1957 Chevy station wagon Shorty listed for $25,000 in Orange, Texas. The seller's description is as follows: selling my one-of-a-kind 1957 Chevy station wagon custom built Shorty. It has 20,000 miles on it since its build. It's in great shape for its age. but has been sitting in a barn for some time. A little TLC is needed, has minimal rust, and get ready for the best part, it has 4-wheel drive. This car is only one of a kind, and you will not find another like it. He invites you to come out and check it out and drive it home if you buy it. We'll run 85 miles per hour down the highway with the best of them. $25,000, or may consider trading for a lake/hunting property or something else of equal value. Seller does have a clear title in his hand. The seller doesn't expect this car to last too long, but will entertain best offers. So there you got it, guys. The seller does not list too much detail on the drivetrain, but what I gave you is what he listed in the ad. Number 4. This is a 1956 white 3022 cab over engine truck, listed for $20,000 in Clarksville, Tennessee. The seller lists that this truck is a survivor. It's in outstanding condition and a rare find. He's building the current project with the truck using the base of an RV. Seller's description is as follows. He's the second owner. This truck comes with basically everything to finish the project, as you can see from the pics. The RV has a running Dodge 5.9L 12 valve engine and pusher transmission with 69,000 miles on the motor. Also has commercial primer and lots of accessories like automatic passenger stairs, hydraulic lifts that suspends the RV off the ground, and lots more. As he continues to build this special street rod, so will the price. So get it now, $20,000 or best offer. Number 5. This is a 1954 Chevrolet station wagon, listed for $15,500 in Asheboro, North Carolina. The mileage is listed at over 100,000 miles. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is brown and the interior color is brown and white. And it does have a clear title. The seller doesn't list much description, but here's what he's got. Check out this great tin Woody wagon. Comes with a 383 stroker motor, power steering, power disc brakes, upper and lower tubular control arms, runs and drives great, makes a great beach cruiser. $15,000 or best offer. So guys, if you're looking for something that looks like a little nostalgia, this one ought to be the great one to get. Okay, here's something new I'm going to start doing in the middle of each video. I'm going to find the wildest, craziest thing I can see on eBay Motors that's for sale and display it here in the video for you guys to look at. And what I found here was a 1951 Ford COE, driven 73 miles only since its build. They call it the Bandit. It's listed in Chesapeake, Pennsylvania, and it's on the auction block this week on eBay, asking for a $500 opening bid, or you can buy it now for $103,500. This appears to be a Ford four-door cab over engine delivery van, in my opinion. A great custom job and hot rod. Just wanted to show that to you guys. I'm going to start doing that each week, kind of in the middle of the video. Show what's selling on eBay. Okay, everybody, another rare one up next, and I know I'm going to butcher this name, but I'm going to do my best. It's a 1954 Studebaker Conestoga wagon, listed for $18,500 in Springfield, Missouri. Now, this item has 78,000 miles on it since its motor's been rebuilt. It has manual transmission. The exterior color is blue and the interior color is blue. It does come with a clean title. Seller's description is as follows. Super rare, very good condition 1954 Studebaker Conestoga Commander station wagon. Has a V8 232, starts and runs amazing. Backed by a 3-speed transmission with factory overdrive. Interior is new, tires are new, new rubber window sills, all windows work and slide as they should. Interior features original radio and ultra rare tissue box holder. This car starts, runs and drives and stops with no issue. Just a beautiful and rare automobile to own. $18,500 or best offer. And guys, I fell in love with this vehicle when I saw it, so I give it my Editor's Choice Award. Hope you like it as well. Okay, on this next car, I was really excited to be able to find one of these for sale on the internet because they don't come up available very often at all. This is a 1981 DeLorean DMC 12, listed for $83,000 in Norcross, Georgia. This car has original 12,700 miles on it. The exterior color is silver, the interior color is black, and it comes with a clean title. The seller's description is as follows. Take a step back in time with this rare find. 1981 DeLorean DMC 12. This car is in pristine condition, both inside and out, and is sure to turn heads with its stainless steel body and its gull-wing doors. This particular DeLorean is just not any classic car, it's a collector's dream come true. This car has only 12,700 original miles on the odometer. This DeLorean has been meticulously maintained throughout its life, and it shows in the way it runs and handles. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.85-liter V6 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, making it a fun and powerful car to drive. The interior is just as impressive, with classic black and gray upholstery that is still in near excellent condition. Whether you're a car collector, a movie buff, or simply someone who appreciates a unique and beautiful car, this DeLorean is a must-see. The major restoration process was completed by DMC in Texas with an investment of $50,000 plus. All power options are in good working condition, has a clean Georgia title, and is truly an iconic car. Okay guys, this car also comes with a replica of the machine that Doc created to make time travel possible in the movie Back to the Future. Now, what was the name of this device that Doc created? That is the second part of the commentary question for tonight. What is the name of this device that Doc created to make time travel possible? If you know the answer, drop it in the comments for fun and we'll see what everybody says. Number 8. Okay guys, we've got 3 more cars to go. This number 8 one is a 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Greenbrier van, listed in West Point, Kentucky for $9,650. It's driven 64,000 original miles. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is green and the interior color is green. This vehicle comes with a clean title. Here's the seller's description. Rare 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Greenbrier van. This is a running and driving van, but has only been driven on short runs in the last 3 years. Good van with the perfect amount of patina and the right stance. All the windows except the rear roll up and down. The glass is all good. Mileage may not be correct, could be 64,000, 164,000, but either way, $9,650 or best offer. May be interested in trades, but must be of higher value. The only reason the seller is selling it is to make some room for some more projects. So there you go, guys. I mean, I love this van. Window vans in this particular model are extremely hard to find, and for $9,650 and someone give it a little tender loving care, I don't think you could go wrong. Okay, now number 9 is one you don't see listed very often. This is a 1976 Chevrolet ice cream truck, listed for $10,000 in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Now, the seller doesn't list a lot of information about this other than that it is a 1976 Chevrolet truck that was converted over to an ice cream truck by International Motors Company. Now, she lists the truck as running and driving. From the pictures, looks to be in pretty good condition. Seems to be solid with no major dents or body work needed. I always thought a truck like this would be cool to customize, just like the ice cream truck featured in the Metal Gear's game, and would therefore make a very cool and awesome show car that would turn heads at any rod run. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about buying it. Number 10. Okay, we've made it to the very last car for the video. This one is a 2020 custom chassis car, or as we refer to out here in the South, a fancy rail job dune buggy. But anyways, guys, got it listed for $25,000 in Raleigh, North Carolina. Seller's description is as follows. This is a custom-built street legal show car, has lights and turn signals, square tubing 2x4 chassis. It has a 1969 GM 396 big block with an X96 cross ram intake. Has a turbo 400 transmission and a Ford 90-inch rear end with gears. Custom orange metal flake paint has been done at a very high level. Pinstripes were done at SEMA. This vehicle runs and drives but will need work and shaken down for extended driving as it was built for show. Please note this is a very small car. It is built around the chassis dimensions of an Opel GT and is titled in North Carolina as a 2020 custom build. There is a link to a walk-around video. Go to the ad that is listed in the description of this video and click on that and you can get further information about obtaining that video. $25,000 or best offer. Okay everybody, that wraps up another video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Be sure to turn on that notification bell. In the next few weeks, we got some giveaways going on, and you don't want to miss out by not being notified when those videos drop. Thank you again everybody for watching. God bless you. I love you. See you in the next video.